Hi, my name is Lindsay, and this is my Lab 4 screencast where we had to do CRUD. So we did the read and the delete in class, so I guess we had to do the update and creation. So let me go ahead and show you that. Let's say that I have Mary and we'll just do password 1234 and choose a random file, whatever. Okay, so anyhow, that's the created account. Like, if I don't put a password, it'll ask me to verify and all that kind of stuff. So now once we create the account, it'll log us in, and you can see Mary's down here. So if we want to edit, I just did the username because it was easy and fast and simple, and I was already running on time. So if we want to change the username, we can, and it'll update here and there. So that was the create and edit. The delete function works. And the reason why it logged me out was because when I just deleted that was the current account that was logged in, so it'll log you out. And if we come back in here, you can delete others and it won't do anything. So that was it. That was my Lab 4 screencast. Thank you. Okay, so I totally forgot to go over the code stuff. Alright, so basically in the back end, I completely redid this stuff because it was a little messy and I wanted to clean it up. So I kind of edited two things. For the edit, I just added an action that'll take you to the edit page and provide you the data of whoever you clicked on. And see data's users, read user by ID, and then the get ID was passed in through the parameter. And of course, it's also still checking for the login. The reason why I put this in here, checking for the login success, instead of like we had it up here in the header, last time, was because it was giving me that error, headers are already sent. That's because I have my header.php, and that was loading before it did the check and it was causing error, so I went ahead and put it in that before I loaded anything at all. So moving up, we have, let's see, what else do we have? I guess this was the get action dashboard, and it just displays the dashboard after that. But update. Here's the update. So basically, it's checking to see if the username is set, and the ID is like a hidden field, so it knows who's who. So then I have this update user by ID, and it'll update the ID and the username with the post data. And then this is kind of this is basically saying if the person that you're trying to update is the person that's logged in, we're going to just update that current username. So it'll go ahead and update in the thing, and then it'll just relocate you to the dashboard once everything's done. The delete user right here, and this is where I said, if it's the current user, it's going to log you out. And just to kind of show you, we can look in the user class. Here's our update function, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It's not much different than what we've been doing. And the create user isn't either. So the auth class, this is my logout function where I'm redoing variables and stuff. And then I have my login function. So this was our login class, so I changed it a little bit. I also made a little API that checks the username, because it's really cool, because if you come over here, I can log out, and we have Joe, so we'll do, oopsies. If we go here and we create an account and I try to type in Joe, no, it wants my password. See, it'll tell you that username was taken. Okay, so that was my project, and sorry about that. Okay, bye-bye.